Top pick for the holiday season in general, and the thing that I recommend to everyone is you have to stock up on versatile ingredients. We want something that you can buy in bulk and just know that you're going to be using it all season long, and you can use it in multiple versatile ways, which is why I'm so proud to partner with Green Giant Vegetables, because their products and their vegetables are going to be nutritious, cost-effective, and convenient, which we love. So everyone's going to have pumpkin in their house right now because of pumpkin season, but also the carrots, I want to point out there's so many different ways to use them. So right now in my house, we are making these carrot cake muffins on repeat. My daughter is requesting these every single morning, and what's so cool is they are made with a whole can of carrots.
Wow.
And what I love about using the can to get your food processor out or your grater, you just mash them up directly with the fork, and then look, you get these beautiful carrot chunks inside, so you get that really great cozy autumn aesthetic with all those veggies in there. But then carrots are also so versatile because you can also use them to make a hummus over here, where we've got a great volume hack. So you add in a cup of your roasted carrots to the hummus. This is great to snack on. And then the other recipe my family is loving right now is we are making a glazed carrots, and these are just 2 cans of the Green Giant carrots. From there, you're gonna add some butter, a little bit of honey, and then you're gonna roast them. Your house will smell amazing. And let's not forget about the perfect cozy night essential, which is a warm pumpkin bisque. And the fact that Green Giant Vegetables, they're grown here in the US on American farms. So it's really ensuring the best quality, nutritious veggies for your family. So these you can find at Safeway and at Save Mart. You can also go to greengiantvegetables.com to learn a little bit more, get their recipes, and again, just stock up on the essentials for the big holidays coming up and Thanksgiving.
This all looks so good, and these are delicious. Those muffins look so yummy. I would request them for breakfast too.
Yeah, the snacks were here were delicious also, so good. And again, just fueling yourself, being healthy through the holidays. We don't always think about that, but this kind of makes it really easy to do so.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Of course, thank you for having me.